Marata sa le ke tlweletse sitsa ja go beta bua shipe ka thebule. E seng ke late ha o mo mpenti no.
O tlo trenda mo ke le temmo.
Ka ke late le mo.
Why temmo so ka di? Why so ka di?
Ke di tshitsitse ba ke fana ke gona le signal stoko se se. Ai. Le ke la ba bluma ra mangata.
Sfaba. Yanong a setseng a tlo dirang ka wena.
A ke na tlo a bela mfumati.
O tlo apara size yo. Ke khalama.
Rate. Rate. Ke na le rate.
Batho. Mara shu ya fanda tlo na bushulahle.
Ke rata hore no mara re your life why ka phone ka expensive ka le bersa hlai mara I think ka phone ka nna
mara ke utlwele ka mane motivation no ntore ha o bone di batho
tsheka ke na mo
ene beta touch ya mme ai ke ne matla o tsaya
camera la ipumla lens kape why ke le root so
o ya lo no o ya lo mo real life bakay
my favorite people Mancha Dialoma Noma Themba Malindis.
Ha ba tsene o tlo ba reng yona mara etle go la ke se ka bua hle
le ke maro ba tsa maro nthasle ke sira se guys botsa se le ke kwatetse Mancha Dialoma botsa se le ke kwatetse a ro kwatise ke taba
mo tlogalle rena bua ke kotisitswe ke mme bone ba bona posho
Mancha are o kwatise hore there's a gap between na le ena ke re ke le bona te modimo
tle ha ke tlo gona dira show ya no
nahana
okay
asile ke ntwa o ntse ba serious every day hape ke re ke bone message una le motho a re ngwa ka isa inkele wena
a re ya
okay o demo
no ne ke rena
there's a WhatsApp mon
mare sheba mare butle pele ne o tlogelle gore nna ke re e ka go ka se kry
ke tlo thola
yo mare okay sheba WhatsApp mare tsandi go kopa lona le shebe o be le mplela for le bona ile right ha le bone gona le tse dintsi mo di tengwa di ba hai right ne le thandi ga hai right ona o shebeletse site la gago yona ke na le matla go jive ke na matla mix
Taga. Ai! Carga me quieta le quiero freida.
Et le roi tu me dis que marde de mon
Taga.
Ola il le mec.
Oda. Chat.
Okay.
Martle garbo ni tu vai martle pata ba tu balona ka pala sabar tla le loya.
Wa sa re butle pe wa sa re jaka rona wena go dira galang ka wena no ga tswana go dira galang ka wena no
slike
kere
no nna di followers tsa ka di a tsebo o tsala
le nna di mata tsa ka da itse go dira galang batho na my friends they know guys so a go le rege re tlatla
Marcel Gelona, Marwatsar ke I remember Nernali, I know to Ubuanet, but I prefer Ubona than Uka. You understand? But Kora Ubakalinyalo, but Tobato Bona or Wena, La how Lijuan. When Ubaka relationship, but Tobata we born. So I don't know discourage about.
Ya no bana ba go ga re blele ga ha ba sa re dumedisi. re dire ya
Bomang.
batho ba sa re dumedisi a ke re wa dumedisiwa o bo dumelisa back motho ba kopa di-number o bo mofa then e starta mo a ke re
Se re bana ba teng bana
go na le ba ba leng teng
ha ona mo
go na le ba ba leng teng
guys mara re bueng ke kopa nna ke le ntshwetse before re kena tabeng ya rona ntho mantša ke kopa ke re bueng guys a ke leng plan gore mare ke eng mare e le gore ntho le re keng
social
media is dangerous for the relationship wena mare
it's dangerous okay like ke tlo go e bua on a personal level and ka site like reke I get now at first I did not see anything wrong ne nna ne ke le motho o update-ang batho ne ke posta good ne good then up until it affected me taba ya go posta in a spiritual way yes
okay
I got delivered ha be wa gopola e le gore people went through my Facebook ba ba tsaya di photo wa bona now
la utlwa kana ngina ka morapela
e be le gore family ya ka tsele di photo tsa ka and tse di smart ya
ba mo shapa ka stompo
ban exactly now e be le gore ge motho o ke moitsing o mong o re buisanang thata nna le ene a ke re eo e diragetse ka saeteng laka and how e mametse ke taba ya ina le boloi now this person he used to upload man ha le bokae check in long haul wa bona now people started to follow him ka Facebook and then he got hijacked they knew his whereabouts via taba ya Facebook
okay
le gore ha taba le kae o tla ba shoota gore ka ja wa bona that anyway now when you do it o le motho o dira innocently and it's fun ne so go ya ka mabaka a mabedi ao a boloi le reality then yes ka ntse ke latlela WhatsApp because I get WhatsApp aka you can decide gore e boniwa status how se boniwa ke boma then from there body Facebook le weekend ne ke le montle mara post
guys mara re tlo etsa njwa mara
ka taba ya di social media
especially for runa batho ba batlang o re bonwe
ha le in love le gadise batho ba bang ba be
inspired
it's a challenge mare
it's because ke opela ne ke thiba le ka lebo yo
exactly
yo guys a re tla fela a ke ba moloile santse ke modile
le nna mara ke nana for ha ke tlhaga le wena now and then ke nne ke bua for guys ha go dira gale nix ke host baba go ba se ke batla ka mo hello Kayanzu Zoom viewers at home this show if you try the right pick jaka any other show in a host host the right pick there is nothing happening between the two jaka le bona go na le couch in our serious and reality life there's a couch
there's a gap
there's a huge gap le se ka tla ka moraga next let's get leka shebang ne le bomamngane ne ke sa botsenela competition go ne ke sa tsenela the journey ya go batlana le mamngane ne ke sa tsena guys le relaxeng le thank ne ka tla go dira yo clear
hi but honestly rasno when o ka dula fa to check social media ka re senya the relationship man honestly rasno take ba tlo makape but ona le nthe kgalang we understand the what's
mara butepele wena o tlo understand nna ka tlo botsa hore na wena ntle le Lebo ne because I saw her I have witnessed the attack tsa gagwe but ntle le Lebo ne would you vote for social media
yeah
for life ya social media
ke votela but it's just that like Rachel it's just that in a little disadvantage it's but it was a good thing on a serious note. You know why? Because on a serious note, we don't have people very inspiring and coming to issue a manual the relationship. You know, recently, Rebo number 20 about post, especially the couple. When reloyal, how is Nalwenar as a partners or real how is you are going to judge me, I'm going to judge you. I read example, Orobalali spiritual husband, then Orobalali spiritual husband, Wamplella. But because I know nothing I didn't the attack, I get Kito Jachawena, Kito Bilela Ruanchita, and then Akribalo by change the private by the Holo, Taruna. Body short cut, body yet a more short. Taruna body yet a boma short. Correspondent by and say,
Maria, everyone.
Body yet a woman short, name body yet a dibe weak. And then we talk about Chuzana. Because of that, but Balwan and the Pebasaba. So honestly, it's a problem to Manya. But and this thing, it's about and the Pebasan Balari, Lord, there's no marriage. The Yalo is scam, relationship is scam, everything is scam.
Okay. Viewers at home, before we go to the topic of today.
Okay, Manta relative blumar.
For in.
Get the demonstration.
Ke batla go trenda na mo video ke batla go trenda be ke le teng manja ke tla mo gopotsa ke tla dira reminder no yana and then I will remind Ntate Moruti go Friday
ona le batho re ka tshwanelana nna le wena
nga ba bone sentle ba ntsi ga ba bone sentle guys
le ka re buisa
re buisa na re yo guys mara tlo go botsa ke last week mpuditse ga tla mo topic nya fanda go a ke wena last week you asked me hore what are the 3 things tse ka etsang hore ke se ka utlwana le wena what are the 3 things tse ka dirang go utlwane le nna ana etsa nka ga ba topic nya letsatsi viewers at home le mameleng
what's ke go ba ipotse jwa ke go ba ore what are the 3 things tse ka etsa gore se ka utlwana le
yo nna ke batle go itomenta nna
hi ampere please get married my people
agape o e batlang ge what are the 3 things tse tla dirang gore ke se ka utlwana le wena o se ka utlwana le nna and a re etsa ke re last week ka rabile ka yo wa tlala mafolofolo number 1
ya pele ndeka itse gore ke se ka utlwana le yena ne
number 1 adiyo ke wife material ke wife material nna adiyo di shebe a o ka di batla
ha no ke na mputse unexpected bompere topic ke na mputse unexpected.
Okay, viewers at home, but before we feta please tell us your view ka social media, especially when it comes to the relationship. O ka phone fela or send a voice note hore nna ha ke support taba ya hore di relationship di social media mabaka ka ke ya kapo ka re fela I don't support, I don't support ka di commenting section ne, and then the numbers that you call us on.
Can't do many Petro. Ari
la
jola hela na little refund data yaka from session from season 1
relax man
akintsha yaka
schemes like a fede but sometimes India. Now you just call us and comments. You just call us and then what is your take about people posting about their relationship in social media? If it happened to you, share with us your story, please. The numbers that you call us on is 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. Setting the number that you can call us on is 061 503 4617 061 503 4617. Or you can comment on our comment section or na oslerato I do support or no I don't support Dabaya social media. Now if you can, then you don't mind to type, you can just type who support your statement why you don't support.
Na phone na agree now it's agree kirata break especially ka partner when ke le kara agree na honest was not what na ke le buruma ke le buru kore na ke le buru obon. I think the only thing is Kore. Most of us, kibana resukula kopana le batho ba rata.
The soulmate is all.
Also guys, most of us, most ya batho ba sukula kopana le batho ba rata. Le bana le batho ba rata le bona. Le bana le batho ba rata le bona.
Baba accommodate lela. Hey, I get a for me. I was gonna accommodation. For how so we met your soulmate. This one at least.
Yeah, but that thing is painful, ne?
Hey, too much.
But guys, what's is painful because on a serious note, nowadays most yabatu bus triangular hokopana.
This thing. Now, how also kopani but this person we don't click. The only thing that you have is to accommodate.
But what about Marato?
I give more marato. In this love department, 50-50. You get hurt, you get hurt. For now, when 50% to chonka yoneki. Is either whatever then depending for now when now in that department also Sherry bake if Marione is just like that. The sad part. Let's say for now I'm single. Somebody would come accommodate. We mela your soulmate.
But now is it right to accommodate
maybe
so wait, we get a room. Especially when a person come to you, because ultimately when I been able to because what's my later you can act especially when you know this person it's a potential person because most of the time Luna they fall in love too. This guy wants this guy is taking a good care because that is the one thing and then now came to appeal how batho ba tlo botsa seleke ba o hlokomela. Now that thing it become a problem because our sons are rata guys. So now the question is, if you also go rata moto, how do you
don't tell a person.
Wait,
you just go. You don't act. No, you don't act. You go with the flow.
But because you don't love the person.
You go with the flow.
Wait.
Wajola.
John, Leona.
Handle, hamonate, simple, easy. Monarda. Wajola le motho ntate moruti. Then yes, you don't even have for long. In 2 weeks, also feel sharp with this person, then you cut ties with the person. High end mona. Within that period of 2 weeks, you have learned to love him. But you accommodate.
But let's say, in 2 weeks. Are you still going to tell the person or mutomdi?
Can't depend. I get in social media. Hey, guys, ako batumbo manja. Lona guys, ako being listening. Human, let's see
what guys, this thing, this thing is going to be a serious problem, I think. So you know why? Because always is our mutu nabana re tsabe le hore mutu qalelle o bapala di role. Yes, our mutu tsabe o bapala di role. Because now honestly not you end up so confused. Mutu on ratela le rato kaporata.
Kina rene topic ya rona today. Ha re go di comment yeo yone ya go le wena tla botla tshaba go bapala di role wa o sa di bapala o bone for na ke no go rata na.
The problem is to invest because the role go invest where
why o nagana investment take when you play role why o sa nagane the energy the love e ke tlabe ke go bontsha yone le yone ke investment.
You don't lose nix. You don't lose nix.
I lose another part of me. Pero ya ka itseng ya tloga. Because salona da bonagala I don't know.
Mamela sleep. Ha sona fela o losing energy. Ka lo go re fan sex. Kima both of us losing to energy.
Mari
sex na be ke tsa jwa.
Mamela. Ene ba sa di bone.
Runa bana re funeral phala. Why little counter energy alone or you lose your energy?
Now I lose energy because I receive what you throw out. I receive now. Another part of you is inside of me. That is why I get broken. Because this is 5,000 transaction 5,000 ekare rona ha re utlwe botlhoko. Go kopa ya go di commenting viewers at home.
Le relationship.
No, mara ntate moruti wena ha o bua o buele ka reng ke banna fela ba losang.
No, I know hona ba basadi ba betcha no. But 90% ya batho bana le expectation o hlokomelwa ke basadi. 90%.
It's something yalo.
That the
it's something yalo.
But the problem go now. The sad part go you are known house on rat.
Ke tlo go rata. Gona le chance a ke tlo go rata.
Gona le chance.
Jaka le wena o ka tla mo go nno bosangati. This thing is two way. Because le wena gona le batho ba o tla yang go go bona o itse sentle for ga ba rata. It's not only about women.
Mar guys, ke go par le understand. Re tlo linka. But ke go par understand. Take it am yona ke gore okay, let's say I don't let's say I don't love you as a man. But most of the time, we just disappear. If I don't love you, not unless, but not they can love you for sex.
That is when they target.
But now this, but for sex, say, benefit sex and then
sometimes I get banyana sometimes banyana ba dira just to please you, not that o na but just to please you, gore o botse tlo ke mo save because wa batla no tlo ke move. It's not that we benefiting. Sometimes we don't even enjoy, we just faking. Wabo ke tue wa bona ma relationship deep. Hi guys, relationship.
Do you know that ibile runa ibile when we service protection and lemonade when we service condom lemonade a ho just kana go tseding runa lo theo di mabatho sa kama local.
Yo nda mo tse ke tsala ke free ga re di tlogela cause no e batla re tibe ka yona wa bona
ke go parekela
because it's so batla no re tibe ke nana ke tla o tshakela ka le ke free daga.
But I'm not lying. You know guys, this things amanyalo the relationship it's a problem. It's a problem. And now the sad part kur basadi halisa batla banna basna nix. And the biggest challenge hale batla banna basna nix. But kana go tlo tolo re yeso tlo kopana le nna ke na le dinto batho sanrat.
A ke tla o rata no kuntse.
Motho ke na re la fake.
Domeni. Ke motho wa dilase tle wa gore he can fall for me. Yo. O tswa kae? Come on man.
A develop ka wena.
Nagana tle. Yo.
Benjamin Kumkanazi are brother Enigma are just so have the red pink.
Swapa. Yo.
Sabisa Galina are social media is a no for a relationship posting. Posting when the relationship turns sour, we don't post anymore. Imagine if the couple got divorced, you start removing the pictures. Yo, I've been there, I know.
I got a phone here. Ntabiseng Alina re phone ele 067 095 5039 067 095 5039 067 095 5039.
Okay.
Mare, but basadi ba buing it. Yes, skin it akorata, but most of the time, yeah, it's about basketball rat. But you know what is painful now? I'm taking Lanka. Kiana ne kibaka na we end up research at rata kapajwa. And that thing yes, organic mutabe skeptical. Not unless unali mukhumu bonta taba ngata bana di tshente tse ngata. When you take 10,000 with a girlfriend down, you don't feel the difference. But Runa, where I feel can do to somebody who doesn't love you. It's painful.
And then when you meet with somebody because bontate lena this thing in your mind that basadi ha ba le rate basadi ba tle be ba fake ba etsa. Now when you approach me, what are the things that I must do to convince you that I love you?
No, it's very powerful. If I approach you, what are the things that just to show me?
Now I truly love you because I carry Lena this thing in mind.
Simple. To wabona if anaka and trainer egitwe bua it was a question fisa di basadi. I'm telling you. It question fisa di basadi. Okay. When people are be ratana hore ke feel hore ha wa tla ntho ka ba batho ba tshikang di mining tsa ba sa tshiking ka ntho o ska ba nketsa zamazama.
Sure, okay. Sure. Yeah.
Okay. But if ke phela le wena kapa ke jola le wena then o nahanela le ka the little that you have, then it means I can take you very serious. O nahanela. Example, we go to the restaurant. Sometimes you just pay the bill when. Just an example. You know why? No, let me show you something. Not only a bill, I was just
making an example. Okay.
Number 2, just sometimes you nahanela baby, tshwara tšhelete ya petrol again. Tshwara tšhelete ya petrol again. Come on, someone when you don't take nje without giving back. But when a person has a right, umona fela ka unka every time. Half wena wanka. But when a person has a right, I'm telling you.
Okay. Now, that thing, idiragala at what stage of the relationship? Because remember, for the first week, you come, wa approach her, then I agree. Now, for me to take out from what I have, at what stage of the relationship? How I know dirile eng?
Yes.
A kere re a dijon sa pele wa patala.
Ke a patala, ke a patala. Now I respect motho re nga re fitla gratching about batho ba lo reka dinki. Go la ka lo reka metsi. Ha nna ntse ke tshela petrol. About I respect that person. It's a mother, I get a petrol, you know, the Anton, yes, we share about makeup, tie, get filter, get a petrol, get a car shop, and then for me, doesn't make sense because petrol, let me feel or day. Because if I didn't turn around, I refeel or let them appeal on a sex affair. I mean, guys, sex is taller anyway. I can have sex there, strato there, I can have any woman.
Yes.
So if I didn't about Basa, the Alfita Matron, Benita, the expect or no, not unless Muna interested to when we partner sex, especially Banabana and the Chelete. But once Mutabaka, we committed when. The expectation. That is why Basadi they need to understand it. Basadi Babatang commitment. They need to understand it when moto. Don't put your expectation first.
Okay.
You also remember this person who committed
the expectations. Okay.
You need to remember that. The expectation. Now, not like Munyat and Pumuteka and Chakita by Fita Akamon about Robal, like example about Robal, about sourcing, and then they give with Tama. And then about some put on Utona Kofi. That makes sense.
And that one, I know any expenditure from her side. Because
just to say, baby, talk to say clean a gas speed. Because I mean, you know, we are not having just a relationship ability. There's a difference between relationship you build up and relationship you But when there's a relationship you build up, automatically when you couple and the expectation.
Okay. No, that one I understand that. I carry now come on Samang, we have two things here that I have Nike mates. Renali relationship where it's only two people, ne? And then hakuna visitation. I want us to talk about convincing more. Berenali relationship where I come to your space. Then the expectations are okay. Now, how is that where there's only two people?
Okay. You don't come to my place. I don't come to your place.
Yes. Now we go to yes, we go to the
unless you don't look at about school.
Lavana wenga simutse. Guys. Now I understand my question, ne doctor. We meet We exchange numbers. We start talking. You take me to a restaurant for the first time. Now my question is, when do I start to act? Because Ori, I guess my question was, how do I convince you? Now Ori, first thing that a woman must do, from the little that she has, but now, when do I start to share with you? At what stage in a relationship?
Any stage more interested. That is number one. Kitoblela something.
Go better so come back.
Agrari automatically hartsamai ready job. Obvious it's going to be me.
Originally babedi o tsa so ile mobejo.
Agree obvious. Agree ken na munna ya to suggest let's go out for supper.
Yes.
Then obvious I will pay the bill. I don't mind. You get my point? And obvious whatever, a bill and so on. Then we go again. But I say isn't ibana hala or this thing iqalela luena now usoli interested lena ki interested luena wa bona or martina ki qala ke ba interested to this relation, to this person lena ke bona. That's when luena as a woman, especially to the relationship you le build down. Doesn't matter the so chakelana, but to the relationship you le chakelana
le build
down. Does luena so qalele to show me who this person are you mona for money for kappa for the benefit.
Then how am I going to be sure that you are here to build? Now as a woman, or I'm ready for commitment. You come, Lina, I'm scared because I'm from the previous relationships. Now no. I'm scared. To somebody only discuss it from a previous relationship.
Let's say you just say, baby, today, I get a restaurant in 3 times, 4 times. There's nothing wrong to say, baby, today, there's nothing wrong. You are not going to lose because we're not Ujile. And that thing, it has got nothing to about on a discuss. But get about we are Ujile. And Billy Inyan, it's not Billy family. Now, what's what interested in the bond saying? The bonds are or this person who Leana one hand. Leana Baka.
Who consider race.
Yeah. The rule. So that's when you can who consider this person. Okay, this person one hand. I get to it a sense now. Yabu Bedi. When Mutatlek or builder, always telling you don't need to contribute to challenge, but just your concern. Partner how? What's about ujile in Fanda Hotel? I read the Mushala. Because example is but what about Kilata, etc. Come on. Oh, now it's a practical example.
It is so that we understand.
I had a partner. He did not contribute to the but was contributing in Kabu concern. To an extent, unam ruta or unam force hour Casatari. He would say, Sunday. And the next one or kitin, he shooted in a Pekimurumel, Kapakete video call on
you know that thing, but that thing, it's simple.
It's not simple. Unalmutasa Hatali. I simple. Unalmutasa Hatali Utin doesn't care. Unalmutasa Hatali. But that one, Unaka phone, baby, Totina will say Patota, baby, you go pompon so Totina Joa. Kibekiti, Naked, Totina General, Chincha MP, Scatina MP, China. Chincha MP. No, Chincha Lydia Tatsu, Scatina Lydia Tatsu. And it was so nice. I'm telling you, boy, because I became Wilaban Chincha, a Chincha lifestyle, the way it in Ankati, a Chincha Mutino work. Next night, that's a brown. Ini rakitina bugo black ne ke rwala dieta tse black.
Yeah.
That person will manager on change. So ke batla tla tabeng it is not only umpatela bill, no, but just to be concerned. And if you know that person will do one, baby, can I have, let me come because we not go to Sakai. Sometimes. Kabaon check it. Okay, we tell that I'll check.
Yeah.
Then, baby, I
check in there and there.
Mutia clean baby, clean, watching our ends.
Mare, I think that I think le batho ba bontate, as much as the answer was for batho ba bomme, but I think men also need to understand this because they get irritated when you check on them. Because I get baby, now I'm doing my role, but you will call in, how are you, my darling? In the afternoon, you will call her
when mutu umufone then abali busy nini araba baby busy, then we understand the person who busy, then you don't need to call him.
Often
you can just send a message. Because when you keep on calling somebody who are busy, you come irritate like I'm not a morning person. I can't also whatever. I can't also be Lilo na Harubali na Musibetinka or Kibaka saying I can't also be to make sick call. Now, if you call me now saying that 8 o'clock, but what I'm trying to say, the issue here, Basadi, they need to understand. We need to check if Ujola le monna ya sing ready for commitment. Ukamutrita, you can behave as a girlfriend because automatically le a boyfriend. But when I about to bow uto this person as much as Anyana, it's a husband. Family
orientated, yes.
This person is a husband. Unga bupilo siras, unga lapalai, unga modulan siras, unga everything siras. Wamuka la bua. Baba will tell Rona Leban, tell you are in a relationship, Lemutana Leban. You get my point? Muhammad for Selim Sadwai, Ona Leban. As a woman, you know. Ngileka Jola Lemutumu. Anenaka Anchakela. For 3 months, yes, I told you not here. I mean, coffee and teaspoons a guy.
Don't you come home, if there are comments, okay.
But does it make sense?
It does not.
It doesn't make sense.
Answer.
I think hiking come more feel about Pamisa mouth.
Okay. Okay, for those who may be in their first time watching us, I know this thing ukile wa Araba, but remember we are really ntwengela gore basadi ba tlebe ba re ba rata motho ba sa morate, but I want us to make it for both men and women. Yeah. Now, what are the signs tsa motho o tlang a tlo builder? Because remember, the energy. We don't want to invest to somebody who do. But now this person comes and then this person claims because I carry the very same people who are not in the relationship to build. Maybe more sexy, into whatever, but like the ones balancing us. But the language is the same. Now, what are the signs? Because no offense bua ka tsa basadi. Gore o tla be antsa go checka regularly, though I can re bua ka one-on-one, ha re so ka re ya kontlo. Now, what are the signs tse mosadi sontseng a di shebe to this man? A reng ena ka o batla ka tlone motho wa ka. Ke tlo bona yang gore this man Wahid, ke fly by night. Okay, caller Kio. Hello, caller.
Hi, Oslewulika.
Ke teng o kae, sweetheart?
Reteng. O bua le Noma.
Okay. Okay.
Ke rata o hatella tabeng e le buang ka yona fanda. Ntate Moruti ke o dumedisa hle.
Okay, my baby, okay.
All right. Wa tseba ntho e le buang, topic e le buang ka yona ne. Nna ke relationship ntse ke fitileng ho tsona. O eo ke leng ho yona hona jwale. Ke kene ho yona nna ke le motho wa corporate, ne? And then ke sebetsa like in a corporate sector. So motho ke kopaneng le yena. Ke kopaneng le yena e le hore ke motho a nang le standard 2 jalo ka moruti wa but ke la e rata ka yena ke hore hodima nna ke le motho a leng in a corporate ke ne ke sa tsebe ho handle di finances.
Okay.
Ke ne ke sa tsebe ho planela bokamoso. Ke ne ke phela ka jeno. Ne ke goals tsa hona ke batla ho ipona ke le kae hosane. But yena ka standard 2 o na le street smart.
Oh.
O na tseba ho nkeletsa hore ha o gola o tlameha o be tjhelete. Ha o gola is not every time mo ileng hore o tlameha o hase ke ntho mo le nngwe e batlang o e reke.
Okay.
Thuta hore ke gona ke tlameha hore ke tsebe hore tjhelete ha ka tla ya tlameha ho kena ka hara matsoho e be etswa. E nngwe e tlameha e dule ke tlameha ke be le di-savings. Ne? Ke ne ke sena ha re ne re sena di-relationship re le bana ba motho. But o lang ruta hore ke tlameha ke be le relationship le bana beso. Ana le standard 2 nna ke na le degree.
Yo.
Bophelong o rutile hore ke tlameha ke be le boikemelo. Kgwedi le kgwedi o tla ba mpotsa hore na ke eng e o e achieve-ileng hona jwale. E supe ke bona hore na o entse ntho e o itseng o batla ho etsa kapa tjhe. Ke ne le motho rona re le bazalwane ha ke ha o tlo your ideal partner o nahana hore ke motho ana tshwana le Moruti November a aparang disutu a itrekileng wa di-sharp nose ne ati no ntate Modimo tlo mpha le panzola le itaparelang di-track suit.
Oh, hlena.
But le pantsole lena le aparang di-track suit ntle morutana e bua hore tse ding tsa dintho motho wa mo grooma wena e le partner ya hao le hore na o batla a apare jwang ke wena a igroomelang yena. Ka iqalla yena fatshe hore motho wa o ka e apara track suit le teki le eng mare ha re tswa re ya mafung re tswa re ya di-trekking ha o no apara track suit. Ka qala ka reka di-jean ka yona tjhelete ya hae ke motho a kgonang ho generate tjhelete.
O mo rekela ka tjhelete ya hae.
Ona sa kgone ho ya hae but ona sa kgone like nna I'm business minded le hantle ke le in a corporate sector. Ne ka qala ka mo registerela company ka mo etsetsa di-CSD ha ke qeta moo ka mo ruta hore ha re qale o apply-ele di-tender ka mo kenya in the tender sector a start apply-ele di-project a di thola ha se motho a le confidence le ya ho bua la le di-shopong I know hore ke nna spokesperson but when it comes to financial management I can never go wrong ka yena. Wow. He knows how to handle finances.
So it's about partner haine. I'm not about partner ya hao.
Haholo o shwa ka ene ke ona ntse re hloka bophelong hore mo motho wa hao a leng weak teng o tlameha wena o mo compliment. Nna ne ke ruteile mare ne ke sa tsebe ne se ka tjhelete. Ne ke kgola fanda ga o shane tjhelete ka be fedile. Yena ha rute yena ona sa ruteya le no ntse sa ruteya mare o tseba anything and everything that has to do with finance. Wow. So bophelong is give and take. Ha se ntate fela a tlamehang a o hodise wena o le motho wa mme le wena o tlameha o ikurumela motho wa hao a be se wena o khallang hore a be sona ha ke jalo ka Moruti a like ntate Moruti November ha ne ke le bufanteng ne ke kena kerekeng ya hae wa mo bona ke motho a hlwekileng ke motho a ithatang le ha sa ruteya mare he's an ideal husband Okay. You are now but how much is how muruti ka baka pela family ya hao. Ba bone the ideal husband ena e o nang le yona ka kelello. So o tla o kope modimo bohlale hore ke kopa motho nana o mphe mohau wa hore ke mo etse seo nna ke batlang hore e be sona. Se tlo tlisang dibitso la hao. I can't tell you how ho di sango mari ya honta tem di mo di kopa honta tem di.
Yeah.
Go batlang go go modimo o etse sona kapa outcome ya relationship ya hao e matsohong a hao. Gore na o motho wa mme o motho wa ntate e matsohong a hao. Ene ke proud gore nna motho wa ka o na le standard 2. Ke proud gore motho wa ka ha tsebe gore good morning. But motho wa ka o manage tse bophelo ba ka gore hona jale ke kgone gore ke le a six figure ena hona jale.
Sure.
Mara ene tsena e sa le ene sa tsebe nix gore ene khola fanda ga go sane e be lo ha ina nix.
Yo re lebile haholo hle o
ka program ya ka jeno.
ha re lebile haholo hle.
Thank you. Ka o di me senda te mo go tle.
Bye bye Miss.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Wa bona go tlela kae? O bona go etsa this lady came to the life yanda do Linda do ba o contributile. This lady and do this
lady who contributed.
Re ba ka ntho jwalo e seng nyane yo wena o buileng ka ona hore o thola re jole just because ona le marato le motho jole yena o tshwanetse expected into wena. Yo I don't know ba sa di are this character.
Jale ne ke batla bala.
Ba ke mametse.
Okay. Anonymous please. Wa tseba nna o slira. Ke a kgathala ke ho builda banna. Ba sa re nyaleng. Ke a kgathala ho lokisetsa basadi ba bang batho. Ho neng motho o bapala wife. Ke le motho o bapala wife material batho. The next thing after o hlatswe motho abe a o siya. A wa bontate haba imenyana. Haba emenyana. Boys this side, real men this side. Imagine taking care of motho a tsebang hantle hore o ja fela a feta. Nna ke a tineha hle. Abare ke a bapala o slira ho hlokomela motho wa hao hore ha a le out there au aba representa wena. Okay.
We can start to date and go out to restaurants. Character and support of the person you are dating is what describes where you are going in a relationship. It shows up that how serious you are in the journey of life.
Yani o itse yana wa tina ku builda motho.
Are ene wa tina ku builda batho ba eleng hore qetellong ha ba monyale wa o tla ba lokisa motho batho a lokisa motho for basadi ba bang.
Ke arabe. Wa tsaba o thata ke ntho mosadi ena buang ka ke e tshwana le ha e dangerous when you love a person who doesn't love you. And only ability to play a role. When when you go powerful. When you love somebody who doesn't love you. Let's say you love me and I don't love you.
Yes.
And you've got an ability to play a role. Now what's sometimes you are going to use your ability to try to win me. Because
you are not there. How God?
Now you want to try to
I'm serious about the relationship.
Now trying to
win you over.
Me. And somebody doesn't love you.
Okay.
Somebody doesn't love me. Now let's say one two about business. And already bono rakurat. Now keep on this person to a ka nthusa gore be le business automatically ke tlo iketsa ka re ke a o rata the same way basadi ba kgona go etsa ha kena bophelo ba motho ba kgona go bona gore mara this man ka o tlo nthusa o tlo provide a ba iketsa ka gore wa morata le banna ba etsa so hangata batho ba tshwantse re shebe marato a o re leng ka rona re shebe le batho ba re datang le bona because where this love is like when mo le ratanang le babedi le tlo bona le mo wena o ratang o le monteng o tlo bona le ha motho a struggle go rata o tlo bona le ha motho a sa o rate o tlo bona
mare here I am I have fallen deep for this man kamrata and I am able hore nka mo hlokomela I have resources tsa hore nka mo hlokomela is it wrong to try and show him
risk her but don't blame him ho tsana a tsamaile
then if o kopana le motho because I ke re ntate moruti o tla ibua nnete ge a ke re wa khona kopana le nna o sangati mago o bo utla now
no ha ke tla that doesn't mean I'm correct you must remember le rato le operator jwa nka tla ho wena ke attractor ke di looks tsa hao le wena o ka tla nka ndumela because attractor ke di ntho tse but ha re qeta o jola ke hona mon ke tlo qalellang hore ke utlo hore ke o rata ka pa ku rata it is not always mo ke tlo tlang wena ke sa o rata se nnete not unless ke a o galla hona le batho ba o tlo thola hore bona re a ba galla but there's a difference between motho o tlang yena thinking hore ke mo rata le motho o mo ratang ba fapana now the problem is when ke jwala le wena be ke nana re ke tla o rata be ke realize that I don't like you o tlo mpona
I kere yes I'm going to see things they hotambali the red flags but not because I have fallen deep for you is it wrong hore ko bontsha hore ke wife material
no there's nothing wrong but in table don't allow that thing to break you high sa sebeletsa agro sonto bono re marmoro motho ka ranrato sonto bo and when you are using your resources to umponsa rwanrata then high se sa sebeletsa sky allow you break because it into it I think usiane are hona jwale na o khathetse because in wa bona di ntsa dia mo break a sky allow you break e plela roke nna ne ke try mo bontsha rwanrata then ha gona we bona ntwe so don't sky dumela e break now runa ntwe re shapa fela ha re tryile dintho be di sa re try o bontsha batho ra barata then ba sa respond the way
re batlang ka teng
re ba broken and nna ke yona bothata ba ka bona
okay now in everything you have said up until now ke khona go bona hore both men and women they can be in a relationship but ba sa rate
yeah yes
but how no you started it as if ke abasadi
mar akre nna ke bula ka re most ya basadi ene ke nnete most ya basadi le khona yes
and most ya banna ba khona go itira
banna ba ka khona yes when ba benefita wena mar monna so benefita a tlo dula number 2 ho ka dula monna ya sutlele yue a thabetse di resources tsa hao mar monna ya shapa tlo dula
then come on one user
yes it's all about 90 or 80% ke lona ba kotsi
nna ke re 90% ke banna because wa tla wa go approach a go start a go tlwaetse di morning calls a go tlwaetse di evening calls ha etsa ba go ghost why did you come at the first place
okay
ga tshwana
I thought guys mamele no mamele taba mo ghost wa tsema hlaka guys mamele what's taba mo ghost hlaka can I go deeper
o sabe go dilo tsa le ke Frida
can I google
okay. Double click daddy
okay guys love is an independent person mare ya dutsing ka hona thandi mamela nthena le kai love is an independent person mare ya dutsing kai ka hona
Yes.
Ka bomadimabe wena ke tla ho wena. Nka tla ke le sure I love you. But nna love yena.
This independent person.
Abahana yena. Abahana. So ntho e etsa hore batho ba qeteletse ba se ba ghostana. Batho ba etseng ke hore fela I thought ke tlo rata. I thought ke tlo rata. Le wena you can have that thing or no. Wa tsoma hore motho ke motho tseng ke o sharp he. But ana go ntse tsamaya. Ho be le utlore
that thing
efela because on a serious note it takes a grace and that modimo re kopana le motho bo so morata. It takes a grace and that modimo a se ntho e tsalang, but love is something e bang thing. So ka bo madima bo thola re ke o rata. I thought re ke tlo rata kapa wena you thought you don't rata, but ana go ntse tsa motho le right corner. No a una ntho that drive that's when the relationship didn't develop.
Okay.
There is no that spark. So
and I get it, this love person, the independent person, all into everybody. Ha kgethe mosadi ha kgethe monna. Ntse re ya mo pointing la gore ra tshwana.
No mara lona ha ho le ya etsa. So ke batla go qetela ntonyena. Now that's when re qeteletse ngana go ntsetsa mo bone marato a rona a fokotseng. Hape ke the expectation e fokotsang le rato re be re qeteletse re ghosta. When ke tla wena I saw you only something. When I give feel you are not that. Expectations are automatically. Expectation the little na di bapala rule batho ba ne ba nahana re ba ratana ba end up ba se ba sa ratana. Because I saw you only something else. Because most of the time I will say most of Naban Nalibasa the Rexits and Teresinton. Regisa and Adinton Teresinton. Now when Bono display man, you are selling yourself. Can do it takes away. That is why I feel I say keep I'm going to make man or icon. But this person has to expecting. So that's when manyala mangata a fela lento. How about you, Nakuko? Oh, that is why manyala mangata telling I thought a fair because Rugostana. Because nowadays he tutor Batabala San. Our last sound matter.
Okay, Tate. But now, I got. Now let's go back to. I get this one. I have heard you. You play, yes, I get it. It was 1-1. Now we spoke about Ilinalu and Nafela. Hosina visitation. Hosina. That means I have to do regular check-ins. Sometimes, not sometimes, I have to share with you from the little that I have. Ne, ki dule ko checka and ki study gore na are you a busy person kapa motho o go kgonang gore now now and then ha ke mo founela a tshware phone. That's my role. And if I play those roles, then you will be convinced gore ka go rata. Now let's come to when now retla to each other's space. Now what are the roles tse mosadi because I kere wena ore basadi abarat. Now what are the roles tse mosadi hatla into your space that she has to do so that you be convinced go wa rata?
Where there's a need ma khona abakwala the gap
spaces are okay.
I read example. I don't get a masalaga I can practical we go to back the X
how much deco, how much but I think we era like X
okay. Ona about baso when I say baure okay boyfriend taka kapa partner aka udula le one automatically especially haiba ile motho ya yana le di good intention ka we a se motho ya tlo kenang a ba tswa le ha sa bona gore mare mona o na le ditlhoko you get my point a se motho ya tlo kenang a ba tswa especially mo a kgonang ya nang le matsoho o tla o fa matsoho a hae o tlo bona gore mare motho a ka o dula le one o bohlasanyana let me help my partner ke motho ya nkang a relationship is serious mare ba ba kenang jwale ka dinoa a ba tswa le ever sex le qeta go ever sex wa tswa a tsamaya but wa tseba go dula le mong but a se ntho e tlikang kelelong ya gore mara let me help my partner two e mong o tla tseba gore ke e mong ya na le bogoni wa tseba gore mara motho a ka dula le one ke a mo tshakela ke lo pheya because motho a ka re etse mohlala nna a re etse mohlala ka nna I keep pay. I don't cook. Ke di restaurant. But if I have somebody, hearing I feel man we fumana pay. Do you know that in tene bolelang? And as about le tšhelete honna. Let's say mkhombo batla wa phone ke kopa hle re mama ntshepisa kompulela. Then I fumana ho phewe. Wa tseba rutlile ho monna.
Yes, I pay.
Yes, I pay. So automatically o tlo bapala the role especially when e le mosadi wa mannete ya na le kelelo ya batlang go build o tlo wa tseba gore ke tla today a single man and I can say ntato mana se motho ya pheya so ha ke le teng let me make sure that this person will feel or ke
yes but
the same way Lena as a man if ke ya hao if ka ke bula hao ke fumana gore ke tese una di ditlhoko mona
glopia ka
mo re tshene bentse ke kena ke tswa guys ha qetile ba bontate o bo thola re bile o tla ba botso pheile ha qetile ona mohlanga ka plastic ha re tseletsa ulwetse a mentsa
etsa ulwetse
ha tseletsa ulwetse box
Ow, mo.
If I start di plastic, a carry baby sorrow born here, but I'm with a Kenyan group, and then some more go and buy something on Google. Then that man is a responsible man. Marmutato can about Roman, I have a sexual and about Sama, about Hutako, I have a sexual, about no phone, or paying kids, I but really
but really I for us
but really so those are the things about this relationship
okay but now how the hand eba some difficulty nyana ho basadi because motho tla ba re mare if now ke se kere am pediki ke tlo mo phela maybe tla bana I'm too forward
ka di mari kiskala di kopa pela ke rona re le fang
ka di kopa but kelelo nya hao o tla bona hana ho no mamela ntate mkhodi kelelo nya hao I'm asking for your kiss baby can you please give me your kiss today I want to come sometimes you don't even want to say ke tlo apel baby can you please give me the kiss I want to come early today
tlo pota honna jona bitata go re tla sina le transport
sure but for those when Bahle,
if you say, baby, can you please borrow me your key? Can you get a wait? Or don't tell us. I go on ona no go le tla pota hone lo gachi tsela botata gore
mara akere what is what no what mamel
I can challenge
good pele akere if somebody asks for a key he or she will make arrangement for yena we create yankee it's not for you to decide there will be a challenge allow the person to your space. Be inviting.
But thank you, guys. What's about now? Until I want to be very honest on this thing. Most of the relationship, this struggle is so because when le ratan, do you know that in Kakopana,
first time?
Not first time.
But I could buy a struggle for you to give me a key.
You a key.
Okay.
But Maruna Mutoka struggling to give that person a key. Because when you give a person a key, for access. Now, the Ndotana guys, the Hotel Maratoma, because in Tersuku, some fella, Kion Antony Kalabakanakim, in Tershapan fella, Sukuloko Panabatuar, Barata, Kapabarata. That is the only thing, Slick. Because everything becomes very easy when you go Panabatan. You don't ask anything from somebody else. You don't ask time, you don't ask a call,
attention,
you don't ask anything. But the only thing, I think the only thing is Rokopane Resukula Resukula Ratan. Rokopana about Resukula Barata, Kapabau Bona, Basukula Rat. And that is the biggest problem, it's a difficulty in the relationship. There's the only this lady Maratoma Pitori. Ona njwets are datem root. Kikopane le motu. Abanjwets are naliana. Nali sisters are different. Mutono. Abamjwets are kikopare dijo. Okay. Ara kiamunseba because Kitzba the sister son. Araya dijo. Araba fika mahalis. The guy ki hira restaurant ka ofela. Amopata la restaurant.
Hey, dilo tse ke sa go di movies.
Ha qetile.
Wow.
Ba qetile. Ba dula. The guy said to the lady, I said go tseba go shebile. Ke hlala go bona o fa ntho. O friend ya
the sister sister.
Ke a rata date ya bobedi, the guy ke mo fa key. It was like a marriage already. He led to the level. Okay, Bible little challenge, but they are still together. Now, when you see, you don't tolerate that guy. It's about Tumbabang into you.
Yes.
You don't tolerate it's about
yes.
So, you don't tolerate the guy met this lady. Care feel or this one care. Kyo na fell until Sukusam. And if you go about basketball negative, and about basketball compare the relationship because of the statement they sack because that's why that is why as I'm paying attention. People they need to understand as nowadays the love part the limits and to an extent that's when
okay.
You get me?
Yes.
So about basketball negative mutabasar show. I will show na mutwaka 100 kapa people they need to understand limits nginto marato. You ngawurata utolere I do love you but ko rata ka fear.
Okay.
But
there's fear.
So people they need to understand about basketball they compare.
Yeah.
How about fana ne chance? Are fana ne chance? And about how about fana ne chance? Are fana ne chance? Got a clear mind. Your this thing can work
or not,
or it cannot work. Let us give relationship. Let us be honest. Let us face the reality. Yes, but it can work, or there's a possibility or it can be. Also, yes, saying yes, it's our risk around limala hahul because on usually rente rebatano. Konanse ki baka mutu, lu anonto baka mutu, lu everyone's baka mutu. And how could taller? That doesn't mean can need to tolerate mutu. There's a possibility or you are not the one.
Not okay.
And yes. For me, it's good to, if I'm not the one, Kappa, when you are not the one, we must not commit ourselves. Let us not commit ourselves. You know why? Because we talk about Kidule next hour. Kappa now do the next hour.
Okay.
It's going to be a painful because you must remember when Kesaurat, Marku choose. You know the set part key because now I'm your. Are you awake to touch his when?
Yes.
Yes. So you can imagine the trauma and the frustration kapa yeo wena o ikenyang ho yona ka o ikomita le motho o sa mo rateng nna ebile I fully agree with if le bona this thing doesn't work when motho wa nyamela even if you are broken mo allow because no tlo ba bohloko gore le phile together le sa
spende nako be
yeah yo nna ke a tseba ke tswa ho yona.
But Ntate Moruti, can I ask you something?
Adi monate phela le motho ya sa o rateng.
Yes.
O sheba la o hlafuna, la o phinya,
la o hema. But is it something possible to make a person love you? Is it a possible thing? Kore?
Yeah, it's possible.
Ha re ke mosadi. Because banna re kana ga re bona ke possible because I kere yene watla now is it something e nka e khona to make a man love me?
But I don't think
you know why I'm asking this? Because we stay in the relationshiping and then re-torture. I kere motho tla bo bona gore a go rate we torture o try dilo ala tsotle gore this person a go rate. Now that is why I'm asking this gore, but is it something possible? Is it something doable?
Yeah, for others yes better, but for others it doesn't work. For others it too
chance
in a little two chance hona le motho ka o ratang because atle ho wena ntse sa o rata mara qeteleng ya tatolo a ba anda pasa 14 love ka baka la dintho tseo leng tsona dintho tseo o di etsang ho yena ya etsa le motho ba anda pasa ntse a o rata ya etsa ho ba bang mara ho ba bang a etsa you tell her you are doing everything to make this person happy mara ba sa o rata and abasi wrong
yeah. That individual, independent person.
That love, I want to love you.
Like a complete package, I batla.
Look about complete. Hence, Renal Libato. Also, Jolly Mutu, you know. You are a ratoliki family, a ratoliki batu. Kurlaba Ushabaru, le rato. Yo yena, le rato. Kore, ukupu, kore ba ukupu, also kupu, about le rato. Kore, Luana Mushababu, ubu follow this person, get the whole package. Marbotata. Obubali ntehana. Entoko jwetse. Wabana ntoyo. Ntona hana ya hanasha. Kore doesn't care mutu yetsa eng o rata o look about that thing if ha motho e hana o rata motho ya hana doesn't care mutu yetsa. So to other people it's working le a kopana ka nete ratane le motho sa marato ba tele ntho everything qetele so marato na le batho ba tla fa that story motho ba o jotse yo I did not like wa tswa ke tla sa rate monnaka ka ba mosadi wa ka but yo hana go ntse tsamaya I started falling le ho yena mara e mo tla o jotsa I've tried everything I've tried everything ke lekile morata ke lekile o yetsa but I can't and no tolo re ka nnete this person hana next is the whole package or he is the package mara that thing ya hana man and that things like how come fake you're not gonna fake. You can fake everything, but you cannot fake love.
Yeah.
If you don't love, if your love doesn't love a person, you cannot fake that. I fake it. So that is why the relationship. On a serious note, it's one when we can out on. We must understand it's a gambling. And then it goes to Rescara and a Rescara about personal and a Rescara the issues for bad. Because today, and a Liruna in a glory to Rescara salary broken. Because today salary really broken to an extent that broken when but Batama Pilonga Runa,
okay. Yes.
But until I understand that this thing.
Now on that point, understanding. Can you, because now you have experience in this thing that I'm going to say. Can you tell batho ba ileng gore ba dutse le batho but they know deep down that they don't love those person? How does it hurt? And what wounds does it leave with a person?
When you don't love a person, you're so bullying for you. I got right to be out. And it's going to be more powerful when mutino atibale rato. If kinaluena
painful or powerful?
Painful. It's going to be more painful, especially let's say kinaluena. I know what is love. Kids ba ratu ake begi komita lwen. Obu sanrat automatically kito feel kito born because kids ba le ratu ake the relationship. But about another fostered relationship, but about protected relationship, but about rule. But when a person wants to decide this person doesn't love me, you need to pay a hand because you foster you are going to be miserable. I felt that this person doesn't love me, and then every time you don't love me because it's so it's affecting you, and I think Liana Mutu affect Liana because automatically Liana is frustrated because it is not an easy thing to leave Limuto Samrati. Because also Ratimutu,
yes, but I care there are women right now, there are men right now, but they know deep down haba now I want to over blele because we're not an experience that thing ya go dula and spend time le motho sa go rateng e go dira. I don't want gore o bue le batho ba ileng gore at the end ke bone ba nang head. No, I want you to talk le batho ba bone ba sa nang head when things differ, because I get it when we are in a relationship ele nna ke sa go rateng ne ha relationship e fela percentage tsa gona tsa go utlwa botlhoko ha di tshwane. When the lover you get more head. Now I want you to address me ka the pain e ke khosa mo wena. Addressa banna, addressa basadi ka di pain tse ba di khosa because ba bang ba dutsi, ba bang ba counted years ba le in a relationship, ba bang ba counted dikgwedi, but they know deep down ha ba rate batho ba. Ba bang ba dutsi because of the benefits.
I get to what you advice ka le ring in. You know why kira get to advice as well, because number one, manyalo about thing together, kapa relationship. It's about to learn together, marosin ba emunga saratemo. Ana guarantee. Anything
can happen.
Can happen. And anytime that relationship. Number two, you must remember when I love me kopa na bana marekisa o rat. What's all go etsala? Le rato laka. Lentse le ka boxo.
Lentse le packaged.
Lentse le packaged. And anytime nga thola monyaka o le fa motho mo. Ontse le tembo phelo ba ka ke tlo le fa motho.
But that's painful.
Very painful.
Because o tlo tsola gore o le fa motho mo, but na di effort tsaka I went all out.
That is why we need to be re-tute mefuta ya manyalo kapa relationship tse re leng ka tsona and preparing ourselves. Obana, when motaka o bontsha I don't love you, please don't push. Don't push.
That is not easy.
Yes, it's not easy. But you know, the tosha ya arohana le motho.
Sure.
O bo sebetsana le karohano le motho. Le tosha ya o phela le motho ya sa o rateng. Dia fapana. Because tosha ya arohana le motho na it's like a wound, mare tlo fall. But the problem ya o phela le motho ya sa o rateng. The problem about that every day it's going to be an everyday thing because when motho a sa go rata o na le di-behave o na le attitude o na le tsela tsa now o dula utlwa bohloko every day so now if and now it's just that it's a pity because how na batho ba khona bolelana nnete right motho a modimo this thing doesn't work or I thought it will work aba bolelana nnete but bohloko fela kore now we'll say if motho a sa ntse o bontsha gore no a ke daka wena ska push maybe ka bapala role tsa bua le motho communicator phone etsa but don't push la so bona gore mati thing ya hana but o bontse push because qetelong ya qetelo you are going to torture yourself.
That now, what are you saying? Ha se re bona the signs, we must not have hope.
No, don't say you must not have hope, but I got about lady comments.
Balamon.
I believe that a woman must not do any effort to be loved by a man. If a person loves you based on effort, it's draining. Either you are a potential or full package. Just allow love flow by itself. Love speaks volume.
Obanet. Marupeng.
Yeah.
Betu buanet.
And then oh wow, I love it for you, sis. If I want the same person and a degree, but because you have prayed and asked God for that partner, God gave you that partner. And look at your life now. Ona comment based on color.
Oh yeah, Usian.
And then Kilebukhile Malafe, the lady closed the show. Well said, you are a role model, my sister. You call her again.
Okay.
So then we can start to date and go out to restaurant. Character and support of the person you are dating is what describes where you are going in a relationship.
Aish.
It shows how serious you are in the journey of love life.
Yeah.
Umutwile.
Yeah.
Umutwile. Uwenza senze kini kibu. Utwile. Ke mo support 150 million mate.
Sure.
What a compatible partner. Evodia, Evie, ever smiling.
Okay.
And then Ruben, today's topic is very powerful and painful, especially if you love a person and that person doesn't love you.
Okay. Viewers at home, please call us and then tell us now what is your view about this topic, or maybe you have experienced you loved a person and then the person did not love you back. Kapa, when you once were in a situation where you are loved and did not love the person, just share with us and then how did it end? You don't have to tell us your name, and then like any other person as a comment about anonymous, you can also do that on our WhatsApp line, which the number is 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. Zeding is 061 503 4617 061 503 4617. Kinali comment motho are anonymous, please. Ntate Moruti ke eng se etsang hore bontate ba etse di hope tsa rona di be hodimo be le re thetsa hore le a re rata knowing hore ha le daka rona? That's question number 1. Hape o be le someone's in life fully, oba in someone's life fully jwang asa o bulele le matileo ne? That's question number 2. Every time o leka ho fana ka helping hand aba a o kwalla kantle, o phehela motho ona jwang a se available for wena o mo thusa jwang a se available
ke tlo di lebala ya pele
ke hore na why bontate ba re fa di false hope ka re ba re rata knowing hore ha ba da
2 reasons one a ka tla wena because ana no re tlo rata ke buile kgetlapeng I can come to you sort or ke tlo rata kapa agree runa batho ba we don't differentiate taba ya to behave
I understand
so ke nna ke batla araba batho and ke ba araba ka dinnete
yes I want to understand re mo tabeng ya diphahlo but monna o khalala ha wa pere anything
Afrika se nnete ke nnete re ka le khalla no ke nnete ka ga but there's a difference between somebody or tine mini short le motho ya tine skete se mothaitile le motho ya tineng mosi fela all right there's a difference because when o tine a short ne there is no difference between when all about one barracks and start to agree about for example by expose the body bona to create that appetite or appetizer ne so ntho tlo etsa rona basadi le qeteletse le robalwa ke rona re tlo lona re tlo le robala re tlo phamisa di hopes ke re sometimes ke tsela eo le conductang kana di conductor ka tsela eo re end up re se retla ho lona retla because re la khalla ba basadi ba exposing to an extent when we come to them we don't come to them re ba rata re tla ho bona because of re ba khalla ke yona ntho ka tsang hore e etsa le ya bobedi and I get la wena I'm not going to say o swaka ke a ola ka tsa ka go khaletse ke tlo jwetsa re ke a rata but deep down ke a tsara go rata go khaletse fa mara ke tlo etsa everything e tla tsamaya le wena ke tsamaya le wena ke bue dintho tse kgolo ho wena why because ke bua le wena dintho tse batlang go dutla because ke batla go robala le wena because go khaletse ya boraro ore o mo phela jwang motho ya sa
buleleng le
madi ke tla mo ke buile ka yona ka when motho o rata automatically o tlo fa that opportunity you are not going to ask
when love is there
okay you are not going to ask o bapala the role sometimes ebile ke nna tla be go blela baby hlokopa o tle tena wena ka go tsilwe la tlo when there is love dintho tse ding ha di chikuwe but once there is also go ba le lerato not because aliyo maybe motho wa sokola go rata motho wa soka go rata seleke go na le dintho mamati a sa tlo mo bulela ona
o jola le motho a ba a re proof go wa ngata ka nako yo yena o shebeletse a watleng ha re beng fe
lerato le se beteng hantle mo so a re tlo tsala re kwa le ka viewership ya rona e thewa ka setlo e sentse le siko ka kata ka net batho ba tswa mo
ya ne Jesus haile kana hai
ai khona ka viewership ya rona mar next time le ka pampele sebedise ya ka swapa
re dumedise
bye
Hello.
Network again has good.
Viewers at home, I'm sorry we have to cut this live stream right now because the network is showing us flames. And now, if in the idira so a dropper viewership, and we don't want to run this powerful session, but to basa shebella, and for that reason, we are sorry, but we have to cut.
E habedi into you. E habedi.
Habedi jwa.
E tswa ke mabaka mabedi be re kwa.
Okay.
Reason number 1 ke hore when are umobons e kana ba e create ke di fears. That experience tsa hore o bapetsu ka yena. So now e khotlela kae back to tabenyane and that thing yona ha e bone tate fela le basadi ona le basadi ba o le bona today ba ka batlang gore mo provele gore wa morata and ntho ka fela e khosiwa keng ke di-fears tse o re nang le tsona ka fela le di-bad experiences tsa di-relationship so that is why batho ba bang o tlo batla ha kena bophelong bao o tlo batla gore mo bontshe gore wa morata before le yena a ka bula le madi wa bo that is why ke itseng nna the only thing e ke hlalosa ke gore people they need to understand gore guys let us understand gore ha le soka the only time o tlo tseba gore lena ke le rato la manete ke mohla le tlo nyalana but so langa ntse le ka relationship and le relationship ya o bolela if ke relationship ya manete o tla bolelwa ke
relationship
motho ya o rata man ha o tlo struggle be tu chilo jwalo you're not going to struggle o tlo mmona.
Okay, and then and then wa khutla the lady wa araba a re ena ya mo aparo e thata ntate moruti rona ba bang re tshetswe re apara misi e metelele
re siwa ka
ena mme yena ba tla re silo re apara misi e metelele e kwaetseng le minwana ya maoto entle ke batho ba bontate ke ma-slums ke entle ke batho ba bontate ke ma-slums yohle.
Okay guys it's just that network ya rona re sokodisa mare ke kopa nna mantswe ka o qetela we need to come to the stage whereby we understand or solanka relationship into the relationship have a
Okay. No, Mutonana ubuan something. I don't need a public validation to believe for a karato.
Okay, yeah. Now I will say tabaya the relationship. Hape re tlona hana gore batho ba rate kanti rona a re ba fa mokgwa o re batlang go ratiwa ka ona.
A ra fana ka love language.
A ra fana ka love language ya rona.
Okay.
Wa bona? Hello?
Dati?
Re tele ka kgaitsedi aka?
Kopo ba anonymous.
No problem, Miss Kat.
Yes, Dati. We are learning a lot from your conversation in this Sikamo.
Okay.
Nna ke re go na le ba e leng gore ke le ka mita monna o e leng goreng e kopana le ena wa itse ba sa diretsa mistake wena o nagana gore go re no utlwa gore go na le voice e nyane e buang gore motho manase waka but wa utlwisa gore ka re ba ka la gore motho mongwe reply ndwa ke I love you o feletsa o kena and then ho kena o thoma go bona gore no motho o na gore is like o kgaogane le batho so o ba laya ka wena.
Wow.
Akizuru wanthola na. O kgaogane le batho gore is like aso kgaogana such o kgaogane le o mongwe and then mosadi o le ne le sort of polygamy like so una le differences le mosadi wa mathomo wa boithu o tsamaile and then wena wa kena wa utlwa re ga go botsa ditori tse wa motlhomohela a se gore wa mo batla yena o rwa go batla but wena mo tsore ish ke ikutlo ka ra ke na lerato for wena mare ke go tlhomohela a re no o belege maloba mo wena man go tlhomohela mo ke love so ka re basadi le rona re itse gore a re itse re tshwere ke ngwa kena o kena ka motho ka speed sa o nwetse dimpiza gore ha tlhaba le rumo o vele o yes a tlhaba le rumo vele o tshware mba o e tshwara arai vele ke yona ntwe ke batlang wena hore phaphara o thomo bona re no motho na sanrati na tlhabisa ba le gore ke thotse le popotlwana now and then ho so bona di netoro wa tsamaya jiga o kene ngakeng o gore a tlo go tshwara wena o no makala o bua gore ke a tsamaya mara o rounda in circles a o tsamaya o re wa phutha ke molomo o fela around the in circles o bona 10 years later ra mo le mos ne ke nane le moloi why bontate ra etsa so so ne ke no batla bua fela re gona le ba ile o reng ha ho rate o laya ba bang and hape o checka mo bophelo ba ha ro tlhoka eng aba se a go tshepisa go replace dintho tseo go ra go blind o kene hey modimo thuse ba sa direbeletsa rona bathong re kena le hare o re o gane go se thoma go botsa re mathata ona le ona bophelo ke okay ke tla covera mole le mole wa bona re jwale se ke a staka because of dintho tsa di etsa mo bophelong ba hao. So I just wanted to go buanyana dinthonyana tse tshwana le tse gore ra di bona ka montle and o thola re motho a teng le gore o sheba sefane sa hae ba se bitsa gore ke modluli and o tlutsi ke le boga bontate le mme
o fona lo kae
o tropi
okay ke kopa modluli
okay
bala tseno solang ntho no metsi before ke tsa show
and then among Ari Angel Noko Bible says men must love us and women must submit. Problem is that women we want to love instead of submitting. And then Betty Murupeng Are that's painful truth. Men will tell you what you want to hear, but knowing he doesn't mean it. And then Lebu the Light Mudisani, 2 reasons abariki mamets. Keleza tsotso dikeledi. Yo mare sehlo se sekana why onna le motho o sa murat. Ne? And then kinana ki dibadile kaofela ke. Yes, viewers at home, please we are about to close the show. Please share with us your story kapa comment fela and then the numbers that you can do that mo tsona ke 067 095 5039 067 095 5039 tse ding tse le gore o ka phone kapa wa senda WhatsApp mo tsone ke 061 503 4617 061 503 4617 o ka re founela viewers at home then re na le motho o fetsa go senda WhatsApp I don't believe in public validation, therefore I don't need to be posted to believe karatwa ke elane re bua gore na ba what was their take ka go post you. And then number 2, we always talk about physical appearance ge re bua ka picking a partner, but physical appearance is clothing something. What's inside that appearance? Mamela, Harry Khatabat. We always talk about I want somebody tall, dark, handsome. Now, but Beresa Shebi, because the real person
okay.
Yes. It's a question why Batuba Dirayar.
Okay. Ona le itseng Bible itseng basadi bara banna ba rate batho.
Bible says men must love us and women must submit. Problem is that women we want to love instead of submitting.
Obana batho number 1 re tla go yena ya Bible. Batho ba fa obana re dilana le batho. We need to deal ka reality ka ntho e tsala ngwana jwang. We all know Bible is ring, but the problem is the reality. It's because and we cannot run away from that. As much Bible is basadi ba etse
yeah.
Basadi ba rata and kabu madi li runa le banna re expecta ho ratwa ke basadi now as much re tseba hore Bible e re basadi they should respect
submit lona banna le rate
re rate but re expecta lerato it's an unfortunately reality and esa kopaneng le what the Bible says.
Okay, because you also want to be loved.
Yeah, ka bomadimabe. Number 2, coming to issue ya hore ya o se a qata o bua wa phone call. O buile ntho very powerful mara we buile a feta are ona na basadi they should have their own thing because you know ntho ena ya hore basadi ba strike la ka maphelo a bona le yona ka nete etsa hore banna banke monyetla the advantage banke advantages ka bona because when ke fihla ke na le tšhelete I can use you because of that. You get my point? Because o bua netare banna ba nka menyetla sometimes ka bakala ditlhoko tsa basadi. Why? Le bona basadi ba ipola ka hore every time ho bona ho na le basadi ba ratelang ba ratanang because of the needs. Ba batla o hlokomelwa, ba batla o yetswa eng, ba batla o spoilwa, ba batla and most ya basadi ba jwalo ke bana ba ho bapalwang ka bona because once no mplela hore nna ke batla motho o spoilang, nna ke batla motho o ratang, nna ke batla motho o nahanelang ke na le tšhelete ke tlo di etsa dintho tseo and ke tlo di etsa even if I don't love you, ke tlo di etsa even if ke di etsa for your sex. I can do it even banna ba etsa ntho if only good sexual even if as interested as a to build a lwen a ka di etsa dintho tseo because o capitalize o dimadi tlhoko tsa hao. Ya boraro le basadi le bona di bana le problem ba tshwantseng ba ke ba lokisa basadi they need to make a decision or bona as personal as a woman when only one you need to make a decision or wena o batla eng o batla ratelwa o hlokomela ka ba batla lerato
yo
ke go ba o iphethe basadi ba tshwantse ba etsa jwa banke decision hore le bona ba batla go ratelwa eng. What do you want as a woman ka buena? What do you want? Do you want love? But how mo fa lerato mosadi tla ba bolela re no love doesn't buy a bread. Okay. So now le batla o hlokomela. That is why jwale le ponang le di victim tsa bana ba bapalang ka lona bankang advantage ka lona because and the sad part ya bana ba hlokomelang haholo most ya bana ba hlokomelang basadi ka hangata ba bang o tlo thola re ba bang ba bona really ba capital
abare number 3 what have
because le ritile into that one that one ya ba to re mata ka mra di looks that one I think all of us I will say 80% ya rona 80% ya re
ma o ka samale motho bo tsaba o ka se utlwane le motho o tlo tsaba go tsamalene ko molong.
That is a problem. That is why we do internal matata. Go back to another question.
No, I can understand the question, but I can bala. Are okay. What have they been through, and how did they overcome what they went through? So ha ke tsebe mo ona batla gore na ona bua ka eng ka gore na should we understand kapa re botse di partner tsa rona gore na maybe the previous relationship we let through in and then I think so because kamorago are they healed or they will bleed on you. Okay yes o botse partner ya gago gore na o fitile mo eng ka di previous relationship o fitile yang o fitisitswe ke and then the second one o gone go itse gore na is he or she still bleeding kapa o fodile. E botlhokwa le yona
very important very important.
Hey viewers at home man because of network show ya no yeah
but guys if u batla to join agree pele ne le tsaba because ne le tsaba hore batla le jaja gas tape ka the right pick no come and join us re tlo bua mfela ka ntho tsa the relationship and marriages re join fela ne
have a just come re tlo itulelang so and then we always say your view might not be my view, might not be Ntate Moruti's view. Then re tlo qoqang and then have this thing right. Magonto se batla Tshepo. Since vele o rependile. Ke tla go gopotsa gore o rependile. Wa se batla? Before re kwa la hle Ntate Moruti ka uku. A re bue ka ye. Kapa o se tlogaletse mare. O bonela gore mare ha se so se rege maybe.
Sorry ma.
Kapa o tswile le te ha o tswile mo shone o fila for o se tlogaletse. Go na batho ba tla emang ba thabe ba letse medidetsane ba ope matso. Shasas.
Ke le arabe.
Buang commenta mo ere araba Ntate Moruti araba. Guys, go le gato ntira motho bad. These things and like it's for I'm here for the people and for the people I deliver. O jwe ka itse for ipotsa yone. Good question.
Maria.
Yes, Maria.
Maria.
I know this question
Maria.
Lena Leona ka dikelelo nna because ke host ya Mhlaba. Ke le butseditse parta mara ha le sa comment ha tlo e araba mara nna o tla nkaraba off camera cause ke nyaka go itse yone ke a e batla shasas and ne ke galetse o e arabe yone ha ba sa commenting
the writing is on the wall it's a sebaka
wa bona gala mo matlhonne motho wa mmona ma
dikele dia good question Moruti araba se
ha re ba tlogele ba tsene ba nne mo ma 5 nyana Hey. Go with 3. Re shota 3 ya dilas. Motho wa mona hle. Re shota
Ebile viewership tse nyolo hanyane.
Re shota 4.
Batla ba le bakae?
Tlebele
10.
If re ya ko 10 re shota 5. Re kampane ga emela yo re kampane ga emela yena nene re shota 2
wa go tshene go please answer
2 ya dilase ge because I kire kana kole re tla re network guys
okay.
I'm your host
Ko ba ke arabe.
po ay yo question ya big ngwana me
What's ma?
Inale batle ba bua fa ka wena go di officing o itse arab
Ke motho sone. Ke go ba ke arabe ka nna pele. Be ke tla karabo. Thandiwa o smaitse.
mara o tlo ipuella ke
A ke tlopuela.
okay
Ke motho so. A ke motho rata go sebetsana le ntho na go etelele ne.
le utlwile ha se motho a ratang go sebetsa na le ntho nako e telele ha re hopole o se batlile nako e telele chances are that o tlo re number 1 number 2
And then just matlana go etelele.
ke re jalo ke go se batlile nako e telele so a kira ha o rata o batlana le ntho nako e telele wa engala
A ke na le ke shifta kelelo ya ka o yona.
good shot number 2
So ha ba kene jwale. Wena beti ga le psere o ke o se Mhlaba.
and then Betty this is very profound topic ever. I think we must continue next week. It's so much helpful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Coming to Tabas tape.
Oh no, heditse ha o no re blela fela ka wena.
Na a ke motho wa tla go sebetsana le ntho nako e telele ne. Ke bone tape ka re se batla go kana energy ya ka ne le nako ya ka. So that se ke nka shifta kelelo ya ka sona ne. And then
E ka re tlo nna safe mo. o plano le go modlela batho ba ba intsi yana no o sengala malapa safe buele
batla ke sengala
ka tla shift the focus
ha ke tsebe
bono se ka
ke
etsa
qeta ka gore fela ha ke tsebe gore ke ntse ke se batla ka patsa se
mara ke go no
because what's more hoja bo brother Enigma na hlaile le everything in hlaile sense ke shoot this tape anga be ke ditso so everything ka be ke sa change especially a re tla tabeng ya bo di tape le anga be ke ditso
so no yana ha o sa dutse mo go shot
we ne are ai monovu o gabua ke kara a ke sa le sure but step ntse dintho ke rata but I'm not sure on a serious note jole ke fana ka karabo step yona ke ntho ntse ke rata but a ke sa le sure ya bona hore ke ntse
ke tla setsa ka pa jwa
a ke sure
o khutletse mane mono se rata ke re se galo se rata dilemo ba dono sa senyala ke like le no ka ba ntho e jwalo fela gore wa se rata nje
o tla dependa fela hore ngana ka se rata this time be ke setsa ka ba be ke se rata fela mara be tsa setsa ma sona ke se rata a bohloko ene mono teng ke nana ka fela bontate ba nshebeletseng ka dipelong ba ntse ba re lathi se stand mfundisi nna ke se rata ka ntse ke se rata today mare it will depend what's my will depend akae step o runa banna ke tlo le araba nnete o runa step banna kana go tseding se ka determine do ke bogridi ba as a man ke bogridi ba bang ke taba ka nete ba to build a family to expand the family ba bang ke taba o failwa ke mosadi wa hae okay ba bang ke taba o failwa ke mosadi wa hao ba bang he ka nete tholore the kind of a person o kopane le yana o bapala di role to an extent of feel hore I mona think ane tla ba ke ba fair if ke batla step
ntate mogodi for all this time go botsa ka step o sa tong karabo and then ke na le dipotso man kore because
but
o bile ka bo greed ore ba ba batla o build a family
wona le banna ba are as example I'm not sure hore mseleku ke taba ya ho build a family yena
he always says that
he
he wants a big family
but I don't fully agree Linton you know why because mseleku taba bua re yana na le dinyatsi so batla dinyatsi ana le basadi ba 4 ebile a ntsa lwanela ba 5 so I will say wona le bo greedy nyana mo ne
ya no bo greedy le gore bo into every man
most ya banna bana le bo greedy most but berba le banna because happy when you sit down and check up when we nyetse basadi ba 4 o bola top 5 6 ke for in let us be honest ke bo greedy then hona ba le banna ba yang step because of ba bang ba feel like di partner tsa bona hona le basadi ba sa rateng sex next hona le basadi ba di moods go tolore it's like you don't have a wife hona le basadi ba feel banna ba bona tool monna feel or let me have somebody
ya no wena kana no senyalla
nna
greed as kissing because I can't wait to build a family ke bo greedy
nna ne ke senyella hore ke ske ka feba
o no sa ibala mo mabakeng a step fela o no itse ke bo greedy o no itse ke bo greedy ke go build a family ke go partner ya gago ya go fail
ba bang ke le betsi or motutla e ba ka nyalla step because I don't want to go up and down and cheating
okay
so rather ke mpe ke nyane mosadi wa ka a tsebe gore ke na le
ba go arabetse ba go all of the above.
okay. So nna ka nnete ne ke sa batle ho cheata.
O no itshaba. O no itshaba.
Ne ke itshaba. And then step man se monate man se na le especially about utlwana man kore
sa re se monate se viewers at home ba base. And the mo sa re step se monate yo.
Well ha le ba bedi ka re le a fellwa man.
Sa dira ya
ha ona le motho mo it's like le dula le ba bedi be le tšhakelwa. Atmosphere change man. Ba monate man. So na kaneta ke bua tlo bua maka ke sa le sure but ke tshaba hore ke re no because ke tshaba le surprise ka pa ke re yes. Ma sona ke srata. But o tlo depend mo mo lenyalo lenkale link ke kana ngolwa if agree ona jana so nyale. O tlo depend or mo if ke nyala o ka etsa ba ke feel right man the way re le yipi ka teng le partner ya ka a o so hloka last tip.
Oh, ha le happy ha go a le nyale step.
Agree step ke se batle so a ke nyala. Ne?
Yes.
Ne? Ke le kara relationship.
Yes.
Ne? But I get say more if ne sense ke nyetse maybe ne ke tlo feel rahmar. A ke tlo ke step. Kapa ne ke tlo se feel even worse. A ke sure.
Okay. Ke kopa re tlolang topic ya step ba feto. Ke ne ke re ke itira clever ka botsa ke shula let you know. Bob.
But bana ba bangata ba se rata.
A ke na ne for tlo go tswile mo shone ba bone go model ya bone e tswile. Le bone ba shifte di focus. Ene ke ga o ka ene o tla no engwe e kutleng e dira for pelo ka biletse ko tlase ke ha o re ha le babedi yes go kana monate mara motho wa borao ga le teng go na monate thata ka tlu so o tla nngwe mpha dikarabo tse se batle go dutlo that is why ke reng ba fetho
it's like ha le batswadi le babedi fela go ba monate mara ha le ba le ngwana le ba bana go ba monate lo feta
yone ya
o bona it's like le phela le babedi be le tšhakelo hape ba monate so you can imagine se re ditsimona kapa mohlomong ke le sekolo wena o ditsimona le mosadi wa ka le batho le ditsimona le basadi ba na go tsene leng ka koloi le tsamaya baby re ka bene in le wena wa enjoy how more you're not frustrated then
and the mo go dira o tlo le mono se ya de bene sontse ba tle bo difference ha re kwaleng show
o ga le ha ke na le step how ba the difference agree unka mamkhulu ka papa mncane what's a step ba trompa ba sa ba fela mara it's a nice thing. It's a nice thing. There's especially born even when I say born the sister Santa Face 2.
Yes, sister wife
Santa Face 2. Bona ba Sadiban ba Face 2. Bona ba Sadiban ba Face 2. The guys renali play ke mona Bloemfontein between Face 2. There's a place, the location between Face 2. Only the sister wife mo. Born.
You look at nana get
the twins. The twin guys. And don't people back out Ratissa's tape. Back out Ratissa's tape nix. Even like your sponsor says Koko.
Marbao ba vedi ba babo.
Ah baba to Ratissa's tape. Ke ba rata ba se ba ka motho wa bona.
Ba ba ipua ba mutima. O banda ka muti.
Ba bua ba le ba itu. O ba to mutima today.
O ba kwatisitse o iwane. So santse ha nagana for go tla siela go go mo a safare.
Buy these cars or no monna bona kwatise emo. It's a nice thing on a serious note. It's a very very nice thing. It's just that you know the mentality wa runa batho ba batho le re dintho tsena re tlokile di rutwa ka tsona Can it? I think it's a problem. Muru. Happy is super difficult. I won't about the different character altogether. Uti.
Shopaka Tata Are, Pastor Koposta team, please just go for step to pave our way as a man.
Sure. You didn't say badly. It's a that's why Kali Kitty, but Andy Barinte, Ricate show. I is Utrachala. How can?
How can? Le no bana viewership ya man yanto the right pick it will abuhloko. Kala bona step. Next year la leki ba ruti ba rentate. Tla fumana ntse re roba sa di ba runa heman. O bona no vintho e batla o yetsa mo ro renka mothare ke batla o testa mosadi wa ka o tlo re.
Sure. Yo.
But here, serious notice that step see things of feel like about tomorrow. On a very, very serious note, I want to talk about that. I think staples got to say about, let's say you want your space.
Yeah.
Now, you don't feel like having sex. You don't need, or you just want to.
If I feel like that, I want my husband to understand.
You allow your partner, baby. I know in the little like a fan, you can go over Khatet, baby, Katamo, unto Mam Nanica, Mam Kulu Pale. Tamoja, National, you know, locker over we are next shampoo.
Maya 9 e betsa ha mo kholla ka 7 maya inna 9 bosigo o nagananka
no le a tla le tshakela I mean re a tla le mamnani ka mam khulu re ka re dula mona re dula and sometimes o bona nna ke nana happen to batlang it's a step is very difficult ke di principles we don't want to run step ka the kamoya or motle. That is why recipes are so complicated. Because let's make an example. If renally moyo motle. Sometimes we don't need even I don't need to go to a place.
What like?
You know what? Kito to wala kamo. Karu mwenyewe.
Haka.
I see girlfriend.
Ke mosadi wa hao o tlo go bela le ene ha ona.
Lo ena ke kana go se.
Ka mo reng ka mo lo go dira ga ba ka bophelo baka. Yo a hle.
Se le ka krua itse bantwana. Ha a krua itse bantwana re ke a monna. Ke eng e difficult. That is like ke lona batho ba etsa step to be difficult. Ke bua pela ntate modimo. Because I mean wa tswa ke monna ka robetse le mosadi wa hae ka mana. Le runa it's like ona jwale le runa le se le wena watla ke kwana le yana o feel or today ha batle next but to batla just to phumula ha batle next watla step e ka ba ntho monate if batho bana ba sa sietse ka dipelo tse batho ba nang le tsona
maga se bokgopa ke re go rata motho wa gago
but you know re ke motho wa o yane eno ka motefela to seng o ka motefela ra jo nna ne ke tsa ba clinics but no ke galla o rumpe o ka motefela o ka step a se batle
o motefela ba ga baby tle ke kgathetse teng o nna ya yo o bo motefela I get obviously o tla to the main bedroom ne cause ke mo gwa lona mo then
bona mo khumalo etsa step se be easy jwa last time bana ba tsamaile ka fela le bo mosele then ke ba 10 year high hore mosele ko tlo robala le bona mo khumalo yentse step e be easy jwa a ka di bana ka mosele ko re tsamaile le robala le ntho
le number 4
Mom said, Makumalo yet a step to be easy. And two, last time when I bore Yanandi number 4, Banabaka to Robala together, Msilik Banabaka to 33 Sam. When you check the personality of Makumalo again, or Haiba Mutunuka Stepu, Obutala Mutana, the character Makuman, you can have a good step forever. Tobali these sisters, little enjoy. Makumano bona le yana le mosele ku ba bina o kila bona Bilal number 4 kila uka msele uka Bilal number 4 kila uka number 4 Bilal msele yeah so Makhumalo if Luena self I think when you can have a sister like Makhumalo Luena to enjoy a step let us be honest if you can have only Makhumalo muthu a tshwana le Makhumalo Luena self is going to enjoy step sa le Makhumalo
the personality because Makhumalo is on your side. You are going to love Makhumalo. Besides about Makhumalo Ratwakin, Luena, you are going to love Makhumalo. Do that make sense? So step is about Joalo. But it's about problem when we can go on number 4. Lenang number 4 na ifine kilim sitting gamela khale kimlathi. Lim sirigi show sabaru. Somebody viewers.
Musele ko haka Bilal baba ham
ene number 5
and musele kuna samulukul. I'm telling you there's something I think family kapa inye because I remember there was a time musele ko akile ngabua no kasi dumedi step sai I mean number 5 ya khale linyalo basadi ba tsamaya but you know will if edile answer batla number 5 now ibulela or msele kuna santa ali ready to release number 4 but Makhumalo na it's a step samsele kusibe munati and basad can need let us be honest if Luena okay ke unyetse lo msadwaka and then butela muthatsana Makhumalo ka personality Luena you are going to enjoy Makhumalo okay Kaneti Muruti Makhumalo makes life easy for her as sister wife. Kenneth Makhumalo it's a life be easy. And Runa Toto Reshapang Runa Batwabat we make recomplicate life katsile magata. That is all na jole na hana ki robala lena every day marubuto wa ria fela kaba kala urikirubetsile musadi emo we utsibanguru kwa ha lo yana ki musadi wa yo.
Yeah, umanyala wena.
Hey,
but what how work a step viewership ya so
then recomplicated into we are making things very complicated for you. Recomplicated into but I understand why step it about a different a difficult thing. It is because of the personality taruna. Personality taruna they don't allow us to live libana baruna. Libana beso. When I personality says our mutaska hono lopera lady sister sai. When I personality says our mutaska hono pera lady friend. Lady colleagues I hono pera limanka pama. So that is why it step with about a difficult. But step in it not making terminatic to the makata. Where but it's just that the personalities are like it's not taking an hour. It's a bit difficulty for step. But the nito bantu munati step I think not the way it's banagate nito bantu munati katsile magata. You can imagine sometimes Richakela and Rudutsmona leba nabaru naba dutsmona bating kaufel le apeya Rudutsmona leba na ria papal lona le apeya le ituma le mikichi.
Sebaka tlotlo.
Cookie doing things together. Ka weekend we are making a prize swimming pool ke ane rea tlala unlike be re tlo bapala really true fair
I ke really true re tla di family di re tshakela jo bontate ba ntse ba ga ba re Daniel Motlalipula re yes pastor and then Bodolowski are true that
o ba toilet paper mfana
okay ntate mo go tsina re wife ah re ka modira monna
take bulan
re ka modira
le tlo enjoy marriage wa lona fuku le go le tlo enjoy because when you check your character and check bulan you feel so much comfortable
I don't know le motlang re sotang out the issue because we don't have issues le bulan kana go into dira gana tla ba ga amati boa bankanya 1 2 3
now wa bona re step ne ka ba easy between na le bulan
oh yeah ba itlhaga ya ya o tlaga yalo ntate moruti ya o tlaga
but
yalo
nka step where o busetsa mohlomong
galemela moruti November
o bo skopana
wa ntate moruti
Yes, for an example.
okay ntate moruti ge bua mare ke go understandile I think it comes down to the personalities and characters because go na le batho ba ileng gore when you are with them kore you feel good.
But just imagine, let's say we are running businesses. Ke a tseba re le tlo tsamaya both of you and nagana o se le botsana be ento le bitsana bo mang
nna le gore bitsana le sebubu dodo
le bubu re tsamaya ka kole ya ka re sia ga re tsamaya ka yaka le a Joburg together le lo stoka ha le Joburg se le disa baby ha re a qeta o stoka ra robala ne tiki hale le mpona ke
Jesus oh
amar guys
ko o ganwe ke good life wait o ganwe ke good life
ai but Robert le ritima totse monate but ne ke batla that
but I think
but ke ne ke batla that thing ya you have that thing o tlele bana ba hao le yana le tshakile le tlile le bana re etsa di braai re bapala swimming poolong re bapala di game
Jesus re le family tle hey Jesus bo o hitla po 1000 rand ka bedroom bo re ha le ikreya la tsama ka lefa o tla o hitla po 1000 tela for ke ice cream ke gona le tšhelete ke e beileng kao ya ice cream o bo kwalla basadi ba gago kao
right ha le thola le a tsamaya
Jesus
le nka bana ba lona le kena ka ra koloi vup
my life yo
mara e bona le wena ke se bua
Thandi wena wa e bona
ayana kro le metsa
nna ke nahanne tla go re tla ga bo Joburg ke motho a plana ntho o tlo tsamantshella o tswa le tje Stefusano was to us as
that is why ke re skanka
the opposite personality
take ba ka ona ke re yana le bulelo these people ke different tse hlotseng
the twins
ne ke rata le nna ne ke rata ha ba le babedi ne ke ba enjoy ha ba le babedi batho ke qoqa le bona ke ba gwara bona bulelana rata tla officing a tlo dula mana re tshakeng
ha tsena for na le ja engwaja like
so it tla ba difficulty the way sreleng ka teng le mofuta o motho ka kenang le ena bulela o etsa gore you must feel or you must enjoy yourself.
I enjoy ha ke na go like that mo I enjoy re tshega gore ra tshega o tla ba dira di joke go like everything.
So you can imagine now if o kana le bulela
re ka mo seba for monno la le mato wa ka o yes
na nto my ex-wife wa pele ona na le friend ya no tiki mama wa doctor a medical doctor inili different tsena tse hlotseng and mosadi wa ka she allowed me or ke jwale that lady and that the lady nele into a medical doctor the mosadi wa ka na ipitsa nto ona me doctor ona bitsa mosadi wa ka nto Sara ena mosadi wa ka bitsa doctor aha
wow
banseba it was a nice thing bana banseba kana go tsena kere ketso sense ke le mruti ke kana go tsena exciting
hey o pet kana go le ntse o respect you
hanse le re ke le Holy Cross Choir Holy Jerusalem
ga du betsa step
ne ke se betsa monate uno tlo bona ne ke rata when the doctor atlile ka tlung no tlo rata atlile le dijo a pheile a pheile a kena bobedi ba bona ba ntse ba ya godimo le tlase ka mane ba fitlha ba beye dijo mola re qoqoqoqoqoq re je qetile ke ra ena ka se ke kopa o le sia then ke sune mosadi wa ka ke sune doctor ke start to koleka ke tsamaya. It was a beautiful thing. The lady wa doctor, she bought the house Langhoven Park. Sunday e tla re ke dutse matsa ka bara hlana ke batla go phumola tla go tsamaya ke a tswa jalo sa o sa batla go mphušetsa Langhoven Park ra tla go tsamaya ebile mama o itse motlele le ntho itseng o itse ke mone ko ne le ntho itseng ke a start ke a tsamaya ke Langhoven Park file ke dule be monate
ya no sa
doctor na tla haka re dule re ja ho be monate
Alice
nene re ke tsamaya ke Langhoven Park ka di Sunday mosadi wa tla ba founela doctor ke atla nene tla be ke bona matsa ka ke re fupa misa koloi a kene re tule Langhoven Park re tule re le kaofela re qoqa re tule re qoqela ka nako tsane a ra nna go police ya a re sie a re tantela hae a tsamaya start go le a tsamaya yo
go sa le gona monate Mariano ke kopa go botsa ga tate moruti before re kwala show ke tlo e bala comment before re kwala show ya no kana go no sa cheat
ne sa cheat
o no le faithful
ne ke le faithful next sa cheat I've got no reason to cheat honestly I've got no reason to cheat next na le baka because I mean and utbe doctor una le high matsaka so uno se ba kala re nkana ka tsama ke lo ipata ke somewhere and I'm not ne ke tshwanela ke report ke tsoka tlong ke ya kae ke lo bona ntho ha ine qala moatsaka no mfuna ntho Abraham o tembala mamisa Abraham o temana ra o te neng a go bua le ntho le ma ntho Sara o tla kena ka kamore o tla o tshega wa tshega ka kamore ba bua ka nna
she's the one
monate yes
and then Pulua Botsa, so what happened because it seems like it was a beautiful setup.
The problem is I think Doctor na le moholo haholo and na bona na le moholo le hona and na bona la bala yengwe yo no vimpolaya uthi
ariyo no vimpolaya are ane ora ne ke bitsa monate ke le Holy Cross Jerusalem yo moruti a nqete okay re feditse okay
Stepu, it can be a very nice thing, I'm telling you. And Stepu if but bana ba ka kena o sona le bona sa finislo ba sebedisa somehow. Lobido ya basadi ba bang hai
Barrio dokotela. Viewers at home, ke kopa re tsamayeng have a peaceful night but remember this show is for the people and now for it to be nice ebile ke tsa isa le show this one is a session now for it gore ebe monate ke ha lona le partake now re itse we are open for anybody o katla le single o katla le divorced o katla le widow o katla le boyfriend and girlfriend husband and wife le katla and join us re dire show di number tse o ka mfounelang gore o se le gato ke kopa go tla nna ke tlo gaseletsa le lona fela ne ke tsenana ke 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. Those are the numbers that you call and then replanning litleng, and then re tlo go chila. For the couple ba reng Dr. November gona, we want to share our love story le lona le Oslerato and viewers at home. You are more than welcome gotla mamelang. From your story we will learn and be motivated, and then please come and be part of a show. And we apologize for Tabaya network. We tried Kaniti network ya sabotage, but next week we will finish up the topic in Ritle Kayona.
Na mantsaka guys caring relationship engwe le engwe solanka e qala ibile le especially batho ba qalang ha ba hlokomele hore ina le win or lose.
Okay.
Batho ba itukisa because solanka re sa prepare le dintho tse we are still going to be broken we are pale. Relationship solanka le soka le nyalana ke so file le nyalo inge as a relationship and iunge hore there's a
possibility it might
work,
end
or it won't. And mohla batho ba ka ipeang jwalo ha ona mohla re tlo utlwang bohloko rona tla tlo ba broken. 2 ya bobedi ke hore batho ha ba ske ba a re ske ra bang kiri negative ke be jwang a ke nka be jwang. Let us not be negative. Let us try to be patient in terms of let's relationship. Let's make your marriage or be like about frustrated or getting total. Marry it's about how you enjoy your marriage. Like about business, we are frustrated, people they don't understand. When you are running a business, rana uli msebetung uli everywhere. Play it so and it got frustrated. When we are high, utatele we are high because it's about higher thing. I know I'm going to be happy to be there.
Thank you, viewers at home. Bye-bye.
I think I'll re bua ka polygamy. Itse re botsa yena jwale tsa